The more I travel and the more people I meet along the way, the more I realize that the only real currency that actually matters in our lives is time. I wonder about the stories that I might tell my grandkids one day about my life. I want it to be stories filled with adventures, with friendships, stories about falling in love with this life over and over again. When I got the chance to go on a special kind of road trip across the south of Spain, I immediately got two of my closest friends on board. We hadn't seen each other in about a year by then, which made this entire trip feel a little bit like coming home. Looking back, it's exactly these type of fleeting moments that we share that make me feel the most alive. And maybe one day, these will be the stories that I tell my grandkids about.